just in case you happen to be watching this on YouTube after the fact, the first two hits of the first box are DJ Hayden autograph and Landry Jones autograph. The rest of these are just base cards. We still got a few packs left here. On the first box, a couple packs left. Right, so Ronnie Hillman, James Laurinaitis, Mercedes Lewis, got a statistical standouts, J.J. Watt, got a Demontre Moore, Charles Tillman, Ben Roethlisberger, and Alfred Morris. Jaquiz Rogers, Eli Manning, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Phillip Rivers, the dummy insert, Dennis Johnson, Greg Jennings, Jonathan Stewart, Greg McFadden. Got Mikel LaShore, Doug Martin, Tamba Ali. Got a Panini Crusade of Stedman Bailey, Zach Dissert, Jason Witten, Percy Harvin, Reggie Wayne. Doug Martin, Tamba Ali, LaShawn McCoy. Alright, next hit. Stephen Taylor, autograph. That's an Arizona Cardinals card. So it looks like that will be going to Big John, 4482. Jasper Collins, Carson Palmer, Matt Forte, and Tim Tebow. Right, LaShawn McCoy, Wes Welker, Daryl Richardson, NFL Nation insert Arian Foster, Connor Vernon, Andre Johnson, Pierre Garcon, Adrian Peterson. Maurice Jones-Drew, Steven Jackson, Jimmy Graham, AJ Green. Got the insert, dummy inserts. Nick Casa, Steve Smith, Denarius Moore, and DeMarco Murray. So we got 3 packs left for the first box. We got 3 hits so far in the first box. Looking for our last hit. Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson Jr., Vincent Jackson. Got a Barkevius Mingo, Eddie Lacy, Russell Wilson, Andrew Luck, and Rashard Mendenhall. Mark Sanchez, Ray Rice, DeQuell Jackson, Colin Kaepernick. Alright, got our last hit in this box. Got a Tavon Austin memorabilia relic. That's going to go to the St. Louis Rams, which is Danny G521. And I see you're logged in, so good. Congrats on the hit, Danny. It's a pretty cool hit. I like that card. Right, Stedman Bailey, Matt Schaub, Robert Griffin III, Christian Ponder. Got our last pack of this box. Randall Cobb, Chris Johnson, Cameron Wake, Larry Fitzgerald Game Plan, Jordan Poyer, Cam Newton, Matt Flynn, Dez Bryant. Alright, that's all the cards for box 1. So let me get these kind of situated. Get these over out of the way. Alright, so just to recap, our 4 hits for box 1 is the Tavon Austin memorabilia relic, which is going to go to Danny G521. We got the Stephen Taylor autograph. That is going to go to Big John, 4482. We got the Landry Jones autograph. That is going to go to Douglas D.O. And we got the DJ Hayden autograph, which is going to go to Chris B, 2482. So we got some good hits in the first box. Let's go ahead and move on to the second box. See what we got in that one. Open RS. Did you have some spots in this break, or are you just hanging out watching? I don't see your eBay. I don't see the same eBay ID. All right, got the empty box. Pull the flaps out there. Everybody can see that's empty. Go ahead and get started on box 2, and let's see what kind of hits we get. All right, Antonio Gates, Jordy Nelson, Kenny Britt, got a Matt Scott. That's number 17 out of 25. Got the dummy insert card. Niall Davis, Matt Forte, Andre Johnson, and Pierre Garcon. Mike Wallace, CJ Spiller, Santonio Holmes, DeQuell Jackson, Chris Harper, Adrian Peterson, Steve Smith, and Denarius Moore. Josh Freeman, Dwayne Bowe, Joe Flacco, got an AJ Green touchdown club, Mike Gillisley, DeMarco Murray, Russell Wilson, Andre Luck. Or Andrew Luck, not Andre. My bad. Victor Cruz, Josh Gordon, Ryan Matthews. Got a Richard Sherman statistical standouts insert. Travis Kelce, Rashard Mendenhall, Danny Amendola, and Michael Crabtree. Aaron Rodgers, Jake Locker, Ryan Tannehill, Steve Johnson, got the dummy insert, Kenjon Barner, Matt Shaw, Robert Griffin III, Christian Ponder. Ronnie Hillman, James Laurinaitis, Mercedes Lewis, Stephen Bailey Panini Crusade, Barkevius Mingo, Cam Newton, Matt Flynn, Des Bryant. Jaquiz Rogers, Eli Manning, Jarvis Green Ellis, Phillip Rivers. Alright, next hit. This is actually the first hit from this box. This is a Alfred Morris autograph with a, I guess, jersey patch, so it's an autograph relic. So that is Washington Redskins, and we'll be going to Randy NRS. So good hit, Randy. Got Matt Barkley, Frank Gore, Aaron Foster, and Larry Fitzgerald. Next pack. Mikael LaShore, Doug Martin, Tamba Ali, David Wilson, NFL Nation, D. Milliner, Brandon Marshall, Deshaun Jackson, and Demaryius Thomas. LaShawn McCoy, Wes Welker, Daryl Richardson, Maurice Jones-Drew. Got the dummy insert card there. Sam Montgomery, Sam Bradford, Justin Blackman, Julio Jones. Steven Jackson, Jimmy Graham, A.J. Green, Sheldon Richardson, Jarvis Jones, Marquise Colston, Andy Dalton, Jonathan Dwyer. Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson Jr., Vincent Jackson, Ray Rice. All right, our next hit for this box is a Matt Barkley relic jersey patch there. So let's see, Philadelphia Eagles. That is going to go to JLW 238. That's our second hit in this box. Tyler Wilson, Matthew Stafford, Tom Brady, and Jay Cutler. Mark Sanchez, DeQuell Jackson, Colin Kaepernick, Chris Johnson, Kevin Minter, Michael Vick, Peyton Manning, Marshawn Lynch. Josh Gordon, Ryan Matthews, Aaron Rodgers, Jake Locker. Got our next hit in this one. It's a Keenan Allen autograph relic. That is San Diego Chargers. That's going to be going to James Superdad 10. So that's a pretty sweet hit there. Got the autograph relic. DeAndre Hopkins, Steve Smith, Denarius Moore, and DeMarco Murray. So we got 3 hits so far out of this box. So we're looking for our 4th and final hit. Ryan Tannehill, Steve Johnson, Ronnie Hillman. Got an Adrian Peterson statistical standouts insert. Ryan Swope, Russell Wilson, Andrew Luck, Rashard Mendenhall. James Laurinaitis, Mercedes Lewis, Jaquiz Rogers, Rob Gronkowski, NFL Nation insert. Got the dummy blank insert. Jamar Taylor, Danny Amendola, Michael Crabtree, Matt Schaub. Eli Manning, Jarvis Green Ellis, Phillip Rivers, Desmond Trufant, Tyler Eifert, Robert Griffin III, Christian Ponder, Cam Newton. Okay. Mikel Ashore, Doug Martin, Tamba Ali. Alright, our last hit in this box, Xavier Rhodes autograph. Minnesota Vikings, that's going to go to Packerod 12. So good hit on that one. Kenny Vaccaro, Matt Flynn, Des Bryant, Frank Gore. LaShawn McCoy, Wes Welker, Daryl Richardson, Eli Manning game plan insert, Robert Woods, Aaron Foster, Larry Fitzgerald, Brandon Marshall. Randall Cobb, Chris Johnson, Cameron Wake. Got a Rex Burkhead, looks like a holofoil or something, number 25 out of 32. Dummy insert. Chris Gregg, T.Y. Hilton, Matt Ryan, Drew Brees. Got 5 packs left for this box, and we'll move on to the next box. Fred Jackson, Bilal Powell, Tony Romo, Mark Sanchez, Gavin Escobar, Charles Tillman, Ben Roethlisberger, Alfred Morris. Jamal Charles, Torrey Smith, Hakeem Nicks, got a Colin Kaepernick touchdown club, Theo Riddick, Greg Jennings, Jonathan Stewart, Darren McFadden. Trent Richardson, Antonio Gates, Jordy Nelson, Kenny Britt, Keenan Allen, Jason Witten, Percy Harvin, Reggie Wayne. Got 2 packs left in this box. Mike Wallace, CJ Spiller, Santonio Holmes, Josh Freeman. Got the dummy insert blank card. Arthur Brown, Carson Palmer, Tim Tebow, Matt Forte. Got the last pack in this box. Dwayne Bowe, Joe Flacco, Victor Cruz, Zach Ertz, Panini Crusade, Marquise Goodwin, Andre Johnson, Pierre Garçon, Adrian Peterson. Alright, so let's get these cards situated so we can get them out of the way to do the next box. Just to highlight the hits for that box, got the Xavier Rhodes autograph, so that is going to be going to Packarod 12. Got the Keenan Allen autograph relic, San Diego Chargers, that'll be James Superdad 10. Got the Matt Barkley relic, Philadelphia Eagles, that's going to be going to JLW 238. And we got the Alfred Morris autograph relic, which is Washington Redskins, and it will be going to Randy NRS. So congrats on those hits, guys. Got one more box here. Go ahead and get this one busted open, get the packs out, and get going on that one. Hopefully we get some more good hits. Alright. Box is empty. And let's get going on the last box. Let's get some good hits out of this one. Colin Kaepernick, Randall Cobb, Chris Johnson, Cameron Wake. Alright, first pack, Terrence Williams autograph relic. Dallas Cowboys, that will be going to Tay-Tay 052309. So, hey, congrats on the hit, Tay-Tay. And let's see what else we got. Maybe we can get something else good for you guys. Tyler Eifert, Matt Flynn, Des Bryant, and Frank Gore. It's nice that the 2 of the 3 people watching have got some good hits. I like to see that. Fred Jackson, Bilal Powell, Tony Romo. Got a Tony Romo statistical standouts. Kenny Vaccaro, Arian Foster, Larry Fitzgerald, Brandon Marshall. Keep it going here. Jamal Charles, Torrey Smith, Hakeem Nicks, NFL Nation Jimmy Graham insert. Got the Panini blank card. Robert Woods, Deshaun Jackson, Demaryius Thomas, Sam Bradford. Moving right along. We got Trent Richardson, Antonio Gates, Jordy Nelson, Manti Te'o, Ezekiel Ansah, Justin Blackmon, Julio Jones, and Marquise Colston. Yeah, that Terrence Williams card does look pretty sweet. Autographed relic. So, like I said, this is only the second break that I've done, so it's kind of neat that I got to. Not everybody is watching. There's only 3 people watching, but it's kind of sweet that 2 of the people that are watching got good hits. So, like to see that for sure. Kenny Britt, Mike Wallace, C.J. Spiller. All right, next hit. Blighty Ray Wilson autograph, Tennessee Titans. And looks like that one, I'm trying to find it on the list. It's going to be going to, well, don't see that on my list here. Huh. See if we can find out who. All right, so that's going to Todd Kraft, which gotta find out the eBay ID. Which is Real Sleepy, is the eBay ID on that one. Right, Terrence Williams, Andy Dalton, Jonathan Dwyer, Matthew Stafford. So we got 2 hits so far out of this box, which means we got 2 more. Keep it moving right along, see what we find. Santonio Holmes, Josh Freeman, Dwayne Bowe, got the Peyton Manning game plan, Justin Hunter, Tom Brady, Jay Cutler, Michael Vick. Next pack. Jaquiz Rogers, Eli Manning, Jarvis Green Ellis. Got Marshawn Lynch numbered out of 99. Got the blank card. Keenan Allen, Carson Palmer, Matt Forte, Tim Tebow. Next pack, Phillip Rivers, Mikel LaSure, Doug Martin, Matthew Stafford, Arthur Brown, Andre Johnson, Pierre Garçon, Adrian Peterson. Just Told, welcome to the break. How you doing? Don't see your ID on my list. Did you buy a spot in this break, or are you just checking in to watch? Next pack, got Tamba Ali, LaShawn McCoy, Wes Welker, Rob Gronkowski, Marquise Goodwin, Steve Smith, Denarius Moore, DeMarco Murray. Daryl Richardson, Maurice Jones-Drew, Steven Jackson, Jimmy Graham, DeAndre Hopkins, Russell Wilson, Andrew Luck, Rashard Mendenhall. So we got 2 hits so far out of this box, about halfway through, looking for our next 2. AJ Green, Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson Jr., Vincent Jackson. Got the blank card. Ryan Swope, Danny Amendola, Michael Crabtree, Matt Schaub. Ray Rice, Mark Sanchez, DeQuell Jackson, Joseph Randall Panini Crusade, Jamar Taylor, Robert Griffin III, Christian Ponder, Cam Newton. Alright, halfway through the box. Maurice Jones-Drew, Steven Jackson, Jimmy Graham, Ryan Swope, numbered out of 99. Got the blank insert there. Travis Kelke, Matt Schaub, Robert Griffin III, Christian Ponder. Still looking for 2 more hits out of this one. A.J. Green, Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson Jr., Tom Brady, Kenjon Barner, Cam Newton, Matt Flynn, Des Bryant. Okay. Right, Vincent Jackson, Ray Rice, Mark Sanchez, Robert Griffin III, Touchdown Club insert, Barkevious Mingo, Frank Gore, Arian Foster, Larry Fitzgerald. Right, still looking for our last 2 hits out of this box. DeQuell Jackson, Colin Kaepernick, Randall Cobb, statistical standouts Calvin Johnson Jr., Matt Barkley, Brandon Marshall, Deshaun Jackson, Demaryius Thomas. Alright, next pack. Chris Johnson, Cameron Wake, Fred Jackson, Bilal Powell, got the blank card, D. Milliner, Sam Bradford, Justin Blackman, and Julio Jones. Tony Romo, Jamal Charles, Torrey Smith, the Matt Barkley Panini Crusade, Sam Montgomery, Marquise Colston, Andy Dalton. Last card, Jonathan Dwyer. All right, so we're down to we got 6 packs left. Still looking for 2 hits. So they're coming. Hakeem Nicks, Trent Richardson, Antonio Gates, Jordy Nelson. All right, next hit. What do we got? Christine Michael, Seattle Seahawks autograph relic, which will be going to Randy NRS. So that's Randy's 2nd hit, I believe. 2nd or 3rd hit. Can't remember exactly which one. Jarvis Jones, Matthew Stafford, Tom Brady, Jay Cutler. All right, we got 5 packs left. We got 1 more hit. So good luck to everybody watching. Kenny Britt, Mike Wallace, C.J. Spiller, Eric Decker, NFL Nation insert, Tyler Wilson, Michael Vick, Peyton Manning, Marshawn Lynch. Okay, 4 packs left. Got 1 hit left. Maybe it's in this pack. Santonio Holmes, Josh Freeman, Dwayne Bowe, Joe Flacco. Got the dummy blank insert. Kevin Minter, T.Y. Hilton, Matt Ryan, Drew Brees. 3 packs left, and we're still looking for our last hit. Victor Cruz, Josh Gordon, Ryan Matthews, Corey Fuller, Chris Gregg, Charles Tillman, Ben Roethlisberger, Alfred Morris. 2 packs left. 1 hit left. See what we find. Aaron Rodgers, Jake Locker, Ryan Tannehill, Steve Johnson. All right, here is our last hit. Jonathan Franklin, numbered 7/49. That's going to go to Packerod 12. So that's a pretty cool looking relic. So that's our last hit for this this box and the whole break. Gavin Escobar, Greg Jennings, Jonathan Stewart, Darren McFadden. Last pack. Let's see what we get in it. Maybe have some cool cards. We got all of our hits, but let's see what we got in here. Finish this out. Ronnie Hillman, James Laurinaitis, Mercedes Lewis, Darren McFadden Game Plan, Theo Riddick, Jason Witten, Percy Harvin, and the last card is Reggie Wayne. Alright, so let's recap all of our hits for this break. We'll start with the box we just did, and we'll go back through these here. So we got a Jonathan Franklin relic. It's going to go to Packerod 12. Christine Michael autograph relic. Seattle Seahawks. That's going to Randy NRS. Bladai Rel Wilson autograph. That's going to Real Sleepy. Terrence Williams autograph relic. That's going to go to Tay 052309. Alfred Morris autograph relic, Washington Redskins. So that goes to Randy NRS. Matt Barkley relic, Philadelphia Eagles. That goes to JLW 238. Keenan Allen autograph relic, San Diego Chargers. That goes to James Superdad 10. Xavier Rhodes autograph, Minnesota Vikings. That's going to go to Packerod 12. DJ Hayden autograph. It's going to go to Oakland. That's Oakland Raiders. That's Chris B 2482. Landry Jones autograph, Steelers. That goes to Douglas D.O. Stepfan Taylor autograph. It's Arizona Cardinals. It's going to go to Big John 4482. And we got the last one is Tavon Austin, St. Louis Rams relic. So that will be going to Danny G 521. Okay. Well, guys, thanks to the people who came out and watched the break. Really appreciate it. Just a couple things. Like I said, my name's Randall. My brother's name is Brad. We run BLB INIL collectible cards on eBay. We got these cards from blowoutcards.com. They're a great website. Danny and Chris are really great over there. Lots of great deals, great customer service. So if you guys are ever in the market for buying a box or a case of cards, check them out, blowoutcards.com. They got great deals. If you are an online box breaker or if you're interested in it, hit them up. They'll work out some deals for you if you want to do some online breaks. That's where we got these cards from. So thanks everybody for checking out the break. Check out our store. We've been on eBay for about a year and a half selling cards. 100% feedback score over 6,000. So we love what we do. We love sports. We love selling cards. We love meeting people and interacting with people. Just buying cards and stuff. We really get into it. So thanks a lot. These cards will get packed up and out in the mail to everybody in the next couple days. I'm waiting for some top loaders to come in the mail, and I'll get these all packed up for you guys. So thanks again to everybody. This is going to be going up on eBay, or not on eBay, on YouTube as soon as it loads up. I think it took about 2 or 3 hours last time. So thanks again, everybody. Hope everybody had a good time. Got another break running at 8:30 tonight for 2014 Panini Donruss Baseball. So if you got any spots in it by chance, or if you just want to watch, stop by and check it out. And we'll be running that one tonight. So thanks again for everybody. Appreciate you coming out. I'm Randall. My brother's Brad. BLB INIL collectible cards on eBay. So check us out. Have a good night. Thanks. Bye.